Stop grilling dry salmon fillets. Seriously. Today, we turn this fish into BBQ candy juicy, sticky, and addictive. Let's fix your salmon game right now. Start with a whole fillet. Trim the excess fat for uniform thickness. Let's not let a small bone ruin our preparation. Patiently remove all the bones. Now the skin. Don't slice it using a knife. Just rip it off. Satisfying, right? Are you team knife or team rip? Vote in the comments right now. Cut the salmon into regular cubes. Try to keep them the same size so they cook evenly. Time for flavor. I'm using a spicy rub today. Coat every single side. Don't miss a spot. Place them on a wire rack. Leave some space between the cubes. Airflow is key for a good bark. Set up your BBQ for indirect heat, preheated to 100 degrees Celsius, 212 Fahrenheit. I'm using cherry pellets. It gives a mild fruity smoke that doesn't overpower the fish. Let them smoke until they hit an internal temperature of 55 to 56 degrees Celsius, about 132 Fahrenheit. They hit the target temp. Now, brush that glaze all over the bites. Put them back in, but now, crank the heat up to 150 degrees Celsius, 300 Fahrenheit. We want to set that sauce. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times depending on how sticky you want them. When the sauce is set and tacky, they are done. Look at that color. Time for the taste test. Sweet, spicy, smoky. Trust me, one bite leads to another. Try this out and let me know in the comments.
Cotti perfetti. Il piccante della salsa barbecue giusto è perfetto.